Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the Instagram grid layout update back to the square ratio. Let's get started. Let's open the Instagram application on our iPhone or Android device and navigate to our Instagram profile. Now, on my profile page, you can see that all my posts, whether they are pictures, videos, or reels, are displayed in the new 4 to 5 layout. However, I don't like this change. I'm going to long press on the picture that I want to change back to the normal square layout. If you're using an Android phone, you'll need to tap on the 3 dots at the bottom right of the picture instead. But on iPhone, these options will appear automatically. You'll see several choices, but the one you need to select is Adjust Preview. This will open another page where you can see how the post appears in your Instagram grid. Right now, it's set to the new rectangular format. To revert it back to the original square layout, simply tap on the Fit option and it will be adjusted accordingly. To save the changes, simply select the Done option, and that's it. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't offer a way to revert the grid for all posts at once. You'll need to manually adjust each photo one by one. If Instagram ever introduces a feature to restore the old grid layout for all posts with a single click, I'll make a video to update you on it. And that's how you can change the Instagram grid layout back to the square ratio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.